Universal Time.
I am in radio contact.
Today in the lab, it is the Hewlett Packard 8591C cable TV analyzer. This particular one is in the lab because it has a cathode ray tube that is no longer functioning, and we are going to replace the CRT with an LCD upgrade kit. Alright, we have the box open. So this is from Simmconn Labs. It is the New Scope 0JR kit, which is an LCD replacement for Hewlett Packard service monitors and analyzers and other things that Hewlett Packard made that use a CRT display, which the CRT has gone bad. Here is the New Scope 0 Junior. And it looks like we have a replacement piece of plexiglass in the kit. And on the back you can see the board that has the FPGA and other associated circuitry, which converts the video signals from the Hewlett Packard test set into something that the LCD panel wants to see. And we also have some mounting hardware. So very good packaging job indeed. Okay, with the unit spun around, we will now proceed to violate the ComSonics Incorporated 90-day warranty. So ComSonics is a company that services cable TV gear. And we'll proceed to get the bumpers off and probably these Torx screws here. Try Torx 10. That's a little loose. See if I got 15. There's a 15. Okay. These are Allen wrench over here, but I'm going to try a Torx. What is that, smaller than? Let's try a Torx 25. Okay, Torx 25 fits. Okay, with the outer shell off, this is what the insides of the unit look like. Here is our CRT module, and looks like we have all kinds of fun other RF magic going on in here, courtesy of our friends at Hewlett Packard. Alright. So here's the CRT, and we can see a lot of burn-in from years of use. And actually kind of looks like the phosphor's weird. Maybe could be the CRT is no longer under pressure. So I'm just sort of winging it when it comes to disassembling this thing. The instructions from Simmconn Labs say to perform the steps that are in the service manual, but I can't be bothered to go find a service manual at the moment, so I'm just removing some screws that look like they want to be removed. So the fun thing about equipment like this is it is designed to be built fast on an assembly line in a very specific way. So you have to take this board out to get at the one hidden screw that's left holding the monitor in. It turns out that module A17 also needs to be removed to get at the one last screw. And it's a good thing we had to remove module A17 because, as it turns out, we have to solder a new resistor here on top of the existing resistor so that the half brightness video levels are correct to feed the new LCD module. And our new resistor is installed. Okay, we finally have enough screws out of our monitor to where we can actually remove it. We will open up the case of the monitor and disconnect the wires from inside the monitor because we have to reuse those in the new LCD module. Okay, we removed these connectors. I'm assuming there's power and video and sync and other thing on those two connectors. From the board that was inside of our monitor unit back here. Kind of difficult to plug in and remove, but this is what the old CRT looks like when it is outside of the unit. And lunch has been served. It is a roast beef and cheddar sandwich on rye bread with a creamy root beer, naturally flavored beverage. Okay, while you weren't looking, I took the liberty of removing the extra cheese off of the front display, and we are now at the stage to where we can start installing the new LCD screen. So we will start by putting the original bezel back on, and they have also supplied 3 M4 by 12 millimeter screws, which go in 3 of the holes. The instructions say to leave number 4 open for the time being, so we'll get these screwed in and continue on. Now from the underside we will screw in some M4 spacers of various lengths. The two on the left side are 8mm, and the one over here is the 10mm. Okay, so now we've gotten the protective covers off of the anti-glare lens shield, and we are going to put the matte finish down. So it's kind of hard to see, but this is the matte finish side, and install it like that. Okay, and here is the new LCD module ready to be installed. So the screws we tighten in, the two on the left hand side are going to be pan head screws. When you put these in, make sure that you're going through the washer. And the one over here is going to be a flathead screw because of a clearance issue. But just do a finger tighten. And when you tighten this down, you just want it to be snug to avoid cracking the LCD screen. Okay, we're at the point now to where we can reinstall the front panel onto the spectrum analyzer. Okay, we have the front panel back on, and now it's time to deal with our connections. So they give you an extension cable. Plug that one in like so. And I think we want this one. And then this one can either go into intensity or color. I'll try it with intensity for now, but one of the fun things about the LCD replacement is it comes with a number of color schemes from the factory, so you can dial up what color you want based on the potentiometer, and there's also jumpers to set those as well. And while I'm on the note of just talking about the board, this header here, that actually is a VGA output that gives you 640 by 480. If you build an IDC pigtail, like an IDC to VGA pigtail, you can take advantage of that. Okay, we've got power plugged in, and let's give it a bell and see how we did. And well, we've got a bit of an alignment issue, but yeah, we got her working. All right. Actually, it doesn't look too bad alignment-wise, just a little bit off to the left. But I'm going to play with that and see how we can get it. But that concludes our video for today. And as always, thank you for your time, and try to enjoy yourselves the rest of the day.